Hapdeng ke Jngai Phin Ïaid Samla Pule jong ke Ribhoi College, hapo kalama jong ke Ribhoi College Student Union, minta ke sengi kila pinhap perda no ya kata ya ule kemen jong ke college event arja apusau, bala pinlong minta la shita yau linter bala shimbinta shirhem di ki Samla Pule jong ke tei ke college, ding ba ki program ber ki jing yakop bapher. Ya katei ka college event lasdang nadu ka arpusan terik minta ubnai halor ka phang the dreams of today are the realities of tomorrow. Balawan berpinhap perdano minta ka sengidu uba Meral Bonds MLA ka nongpo kumukongsan ba RR Markdog badai uway na kidukhat jong ka governing body jong katei ka college kumusimbut kongsan ha ka jingdon lang UEC Benny principal kinong hikai lembat ki Samla Pule jong katei ka college. Ha katei kasngi nakalyang ka RBCSU lembar ki bor Phin Ïaid jong ka Ribhoi College kila pindan buromru ikiri orang ba kibla no shinyang shibon ya ka college bat kibla don benta na du basdang seng ya katei ka college.
Have heard, because I always refer to this speech, to this famous quote, because it relates with the dream that Martin Luther King Jr. he has in 1963 about the famous quote, "I have a dream." And he says that I have a dream that my 4 little children will live in a country where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but they will be judged by the content of their character, unquote. So it is important that the dream of Martin Luther King Jr. it has fulfilled, because he dared to dream in 1963, where the white skin and the black skin that time they have differentiate in the society, and now they are apart because of someone who has dreamt for them. Today also the theme that has been put forward, the question is that to all the students who are here, do you dare to dream or not that you will become someone someday? It is $1 million question to each and every one of us, because sometimes we just waste our time at pointing fingers at others, criticize at others, but ourselves, we are not doing anything. This is very prevalent in present day generation. Someone will just sit at home reading newspaper in the morning and then criticize at the system, criticize at the society, criticize at young student, criticize and to whatever is happening. But do we feel or not to ourselves that we have to participate, that we have to do something? Let's start from ourselves to build a better society. Let's dream something to become someone. Let's dream something to bring a better society. That is the expectation of the present day generation.
Ngintip kumno wansdang malakenteng ru sisine kata. Kumunong mikmat ako to po kum MDC. Ko hil bandan ke college ni nga pasyang sarum sanang. But nadangan jindan aktif ke kerteng jungungan dalajer ke kerteng habang ilit. Banyak kendu. Ya kibor Phin Ïaid yung ganehu. Ni kendu yung tau register. Uang yang aku meneng. Kung namin mo kimot man sang yung college. Haba AA himdan. AA rif himtip. Ngidan langot ang katakapur. Dem kejubam na nga kalong baday naman katakatawag yung bumtip. ngiwan sa pi sa bilang tu ai ni sibun kijing mut banila banle ya kata karibhoy jongi kena school bi ngatip adan ke banamla ban sutu ke tindinga ta saya pasti perlu kayu ba rangan sai pren ng rasi karibhoy jongi ki student bayi jongi ibadan pule kedan fair fair kedan kam ya kelida kedan kam ya kenong song kibadan gadom bat kibadan gadur bat daytam kata kaban la ban panlong ya kariboy kabadan burong kabadan ako bat kabadan kadom bat daytam kata kaban la kumbuong sarvini honor principal baka college kanlong kapapranay ka college kanlong kapapbaha